Picture the sun-scorched plains of ancient Mesopotamia 4,000 years ago. The air shifts, and a low hum vibrates through the ground, a warning. On the horizon, a wall of dust rises, blotting out the sky. This is a haboob, a storm fierce enough to bury settlements and end lives. For a lone merchant, survival means reaching the city walls before the storm hits. Inside, the city braces, doors barred, windows shuttered, families gathered in cool, dark rooms. They do not panic. Their homes are designed for this. Thick mud brick walls, clever layouts, and centuries of wisdom turn the city into a sanctuary. These people have learned to live with the desert, not against it. Their architecture is a testament to human ingenuity, transforming a hostile land into a haven. We'll journey from Mesopotamia's mud-brick cities to Persia's wind-cooled courtyards and Petra's rock-hewn marvels. In their ancient blueprints, we may find keys to our own sustainable future. In the land between the Tigris and Euphrates, Mesopotamians face searing heat and sandstorms. Their solution? Mud bricks, earth mixed with straw, sun-baked into sturdy blocks. These bricks absorbed heat by day and released it at night, keeping homes comfortable. Houses were built around central courtyards, creating cool, shaded air and natural ventilation. High, thick walls shielded families from wind and sand. Entrances featured bent-axis designs, multi-chambered angled doorways that trapped dust and blocked storms. At the city's heart stood ziggurats, massive sloped temples of mud brick and baked brick, deflecting wind and anchoring the city. Every detail, from the courtyard to the entryway, was engineered for survival. These were not just homes, they were fortresses of resilience. Mesopotamians mastered their environment with simple materials and brilliant design. In ancient Persia, engineers turned the wind into an ally. Their invention, the bajir or windcatcher, rose from rooftops, tall towers designed to funnel breezes into homes. Windcatchers created a natural, energy-free air conditioning system. Some towers directed air over underground water channels, chilling and humidifying it before it entered living spaces. Designs varied. Some caught wind from one direction, others from all sides, always refreshing the air inside. Windcatchers weren't just for the wealthy. They cooled homes, public buildings, and water reservoirs alike. By harnessing the wind, Persians created comfort and preserved precious water. The windcatcher remains a symbol of elegant, sustainable engineering. Persians perfected the use of thermal mass to tame the desert's extremes. Homes had thick adobe or brick walls, absorbing heat by day and releasing it at night. Domed roofs radiated heat upward, while central courtyards with pools and trees cooled the air through shade and evaporation. Rooms were arranged for seasonal comfort, some semi-subterranean for summer, others sunlit for winter. Small, recessed windows minimized heat gain and maximized cross-ventilation. Every element worked together: walls, domes, courtyards, and wind catchers. The result was a stable, comfortable oasis, no fire or machines required. Persian architecture was a masterclass in passive climate control. Petra, the Nabataean city carved into Jordan's cliffs, is a marvel of subtractive architecture. Instead of building up, they carved homes, temples and tombs into solid rock. The Sikh, a narrow gorge, shielded the city from invaders and the desert sun. Rock-cut chambers stayed cool year-round, insulated from heat and cold. Elaborate facades weren't just decorative, they channeled rainwater away, protecting the sandstone. Petra was a single, interconnected structure, perfectly adapted to its environment. The city itself became a fortress, a quarry and a sanctuary. Nabataeans shaped the landscape into a city that endures to this day. Water was Petra's lifeblood, and the Nabataeans were master engineers. They built channels and dams to capture every drop of rain, guiding it into the city. Settling basins filtered out sand and silt, ensuring clean water. Vast cisterns, carved in rock, stored millions of litres, sealed to prevent leaks and evaporation. Pressurized pipes distributed water to homes, fountains, and even gardens. This system turned Petra into a lush oasis, supporting thousands in the desert. Their hydraulic ingenuity made life and prosperity possible in the harshest conditions. The Nabataeans proved that even the driest land could flourish with the right knowledge. The architecture of Mesopotamia, Persia, and Nabataea reveals a deep systems thinking. Every element, walls, courtyards, wind catchers, water channels, worked together in harmony. These were not isolated tricks, but integrated solutions shaped by patient observation of nature. The Persians tamed the wind. The Nabataeans carved their city into the landscape. Their resilience came from working with, not against, the environment. Unlike today's energy-hungry buildings, their designs were flexible, adaptive, and sustainable. These ancient lessons challenge us to rethink how we build and live. True resilience is about partnership with nature, not domination. As we face climate challenges, the wisdom of ancient desert builders is more relevant than ever. Their mud-brick walls, wind catchers, and rock-cut cities offer proven strategies for sustainable design. Modern architects are rediscovering passive cooling, thermal mass, and natural ventilation. New buildings echo ancient forms, thick walls, central courtyards, and wind towers. These aren't just imitations, but a return to intelligent, resource-wise living. The endurance of these structures proves that sustainability and longevity go hand in hand. The past reminds us the best solutions often come from working with nature. Humanity thrives not by conquering the environment, but by learning from it. Ready to journey further into the secrets of ancient innovation? Don't miss out. Tap subscribe now for more captivating stories of resilience and ingenuity from civilizations past. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with every new adventure. Join our community and help shape a future inspired by the brilliance of history. Subscribe for more.